first of all, you can see here, it's all about algorithm analysis design, which is on hash table chaining and opening address. Hash table. In last day, did I talk about anything about hash table?
No, ma'am.
Did I?
You asked us if we know about it or not.
Okay, so hash here you can see hashing, why we need hashing. And the first thing is store million of user account. Suppose you have a storage from where I can draw something. 1 second. From here maybe I can draw something. Suppose you have a storage. Can you see whatever I'm drawing?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You cannot see. Now, now you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I have drawn something that you can see.
Yes, ma'am. A rectangle.
Okay, the point is you cannot see from here. I got it. So here, suppose you have some space and you are storing some data here. How many data I can store right now? So far you can see
Yes.
6. Okay, 6 data I can see. So if you have another data to store, where you will store? Do you have any space?
No, ma'am.
So hashing will give you that technology to store more million of account, and you can also see face the username instantly. 1 second. And also you can insert a new record very quickly, and you can delete record efficiently. 4 things that you need to remember. Are you clear what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the 4 things we need to do every day, every time, whenever we are using any application. And mainly, these are the main problems whenever we do this kind of operations. So, hashing is a technology from where you can get some resolve on that particular issue. Okay, now you can see that we can achieve faster average cases here, and the hashing is starting from here. আমি একটু erase করে দিই। Okay, now you can see here hashing map a key to an array index using a function. So there will be a hash function h of k. Hash function is h of k, right? So this k value can be 0 to m minus 1. So the point is, instead of searching sequentially, we will compute. That means in searching and sorting algorithm, we don't compute. But here we can compute that one. Though the work is compute, jump, and access. That means you have a storage like this. Why this is gone? Okay, now it will not be gone. So you can see the drawing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your space where you have something that you have already stored. Okay, so how many free spaces you can count? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 free spaces are there. So we will not search one by one, not like this. We will not search like this, okay? You have to respond. Pulapan, you have to respond. And we will do compute. We will do the calculation. So how we will do the calculation? There will be some policy. By that way, we will do some calculation first, and we will find out where exactly the location is and that I need to face. Suppose after compute, I get this position to search, and then we will jump over there. So directly we will jump on that position, and then we will access whatever you want to do: insert, delete, update, modify, whatever you want to do. So this location is empty, so suppose you want to insert something, directly you can insert. No need to search one by one address. Am I clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
So hashing function will be always h of k. Okay, one second, who is there? Okay, then we have example. So let me see what is the example they're trying to say. So always table size will be denoted by m. Okay, table size denoted by m. Suppose the m value is what?
10.
10. Suppose you have an array where you have, oh, okay, array value is already written. One second. M is your full size, the maximum size, and this is your array. Okay, so how many elements you have?
3.
3 elements. Okay, so you can see here how we can finding out the hash function. So h of k will be 27. So this is your k, first k, ki, kj, this way, k1, 2, 3, whatever you want to say. So h of 27 is here, and you can see the m size is
10.
10. So 27 mod 10. What will come?
7.
7.
Ma'am, if we have duplicate value,
Sorry?
ma'am, if we have duplicate value, ma'am, এখানে যে 7 টা পাচ্ছি ওটা কি
We will come.
নাম্বার?
We will come one by one. So 35 mod 5. So we are getting the location 7, 5, and 2, right? Suppose you have an index like this, and you have 0, 1, 2, and up to, it will come up to suppose 7. So you already got the location where you have to store. So in 5, 2, 3, 5, suppose here you have to store 35. Here you're storing 42, and here you have the last value. So this is the principle that you have to follow. Now the point is, if we have the collision, suppose 27, if we find out the mode, if m size is 10, then we are getting 7. For 17 also we are getting 7. Now it's a collision. This problem is called collision. So when we get the collision, first of all we need to understand that one. Suppose we have m table slot and inserted key number n. So in array the elements are n, and m is the table size. So the probability of getting collision will be like this. So if n becomes large compared to m, the slot you have and the value you want to store, that is more. In that case, more key per slot, more collision. It's a very common thing. In my class I have 45 chairs and my student number is 65. There will be a collision, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you clear about the collision?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the point is, to measure this crowding effect, we define a quantity called the load factor. That means you need to calculate the load factor to find out the types of collision or the probability of the collision. So how we can find out the load factor? Load factor can be counted in that manner. So load factor is always denoted by alpha, and the number of key elements you have need to be divided by the total table size. Okay, divide it, and then whatever the value you will get, previously it was maybe 3 arena, so now you have to one second, you have to divide 3 by 10. It was mentioned. So what is the value is coming? 3 divided by 10. What will come?
3. Oh, I mean, both will be 3 or else 0.
No, it's just 3 divided by 10. What is the value?
0.3.
0.3. Okay. So now tell me, 0.3 is come up where? Here, second or third? Which one?
First
Pass.
one.
First one. So first one means if your alpha value is less than 1, then you have enough space in the table. There will be no problem. There will be less collision. Suppose your alpha value is equal to 1 or near about 1. That means it's very crowded table, very difficult to store the new value. But if your alpha value is more than 1, then must there will be collision. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So how you can manage the collision? So there is a way. So we have to store some extra value, because 17 and 27, 77, 3 values are there. I need to store them. I cannot lose any value. So what we will do, we will make a list. Suppose the address is 2 and my index number is 2 and my values are 12, 22 and 72. So first value is 12. So 12 will store here, and then next value is 22. So 22 value will be maintain a chain process. How? Let me show. So they have mentioned there are two fundamentally different strategy. There are two strategy to store the extra value. Okay, there are two strategies. How many strategies are there? You will face collision, then you will find out the load factor, but you have to store the value. So whenever you have extra keys to store, we will not say value. Okay, here we have to mention keys. So whenever we have to insert the extra keys, we have two strategies to follow. One is separate chaining, another one is open addressing. How many approaches are there?
2 approaches.
Separate chaining and open addresses. So the thing is, store coding keys. Sorry, the store coding keys outside the table slot, maintaining a list. You know the linked list?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, it works like that. We have an index over here, right? 0 number index. The value is suppose 5. I'm talking about linked list. And always there will be a node that we will get end of the list. Suppose this one is 3. So we have to visit 3 number index. Are you clear about that? Linked list. I pull up on কথা বলো না কেন?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the one way. Another one is keep everything inside the table and search for another position. Two way you have. So first one separate chaining, another is open address. Okay, let's start with the separate chaining. So you said that I need to store key in a hash. So you can have key number 1, key number 2, which is denoting the same index I. So how we can do that one? We will each table index point to a bucket. That means you have to maintain a bucket, not the individual element. So bucket can store multiple value, isn't it? লিঙ্ক লিস্টের কথা যখন বলতেছি, একটা লিস্টে অনেকগুলো ভ্যালু থাকতে পারে না?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your I index which can carry these many keys. So the bucket can hold the multiple elements. Now you have duplicate value, you have collision, just store it. So that's why they say think each table slot as a mailbox. তোমাকে বলতেছে think about the each table slot is a mailbox. A several letter have the same number. অনেকগুলো লেটার আসে না এক মেইল বক্সে? তোমাদের জোনে, উত্তরা জোনে একটা মেইল বক্স আছে, সেখানে সবার মেইল আসে না, লেটার আসে না, একই জায়গায় তো থাকে। তো তোমার ওখান থেকে ডিসপাচ হয় যার যার অ্যাড্রেসে। দ্য মেইল বক্স বিকাম লঙ্গার, if your mailbox become longer, searching require scanning time will be higher. এটা তো আমরা বুঝেই যাচ্ছি যে একটা মেইল বক্সে যদি লোড ফ্যাক্টর বেশি হয় তাহলে আমাদের সার্চিং টাইমও বেড়ে যাবে এবং ফেস টাইমও বেড়ে যাবে। ইনসার্শন টাইম বাড়বে না বিকজ ইউ আর জাস্ট মেইনটেইনিং অ্যান চেইন। হ্যাঁ, একটু বাড়বে, বাড়বে না তা না, বাড়বে। অ্যান্ড সিন্স দ্য অ্যাভারেজ লেন্থ ইজ আলফা অ্যান্ড ইউর সার্চিং কস্ট উইল বি থেটা, এইটা হওয়ার কথা। বাট যেহেতু তুমি মেল বক্সে মাল্টিপল ভ্যালু অ্যাড করতেছো, সো লোড ফ্যাক্টরের উপর ডিপেন্ড করবে যে হোয়াট ইউ আর ট্রাইং টু ইনসার্ট। সো ইয়োর অ্যাকচুয়াল কেস উইল বি 1 plus theta. This 1 plus theta is clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Theta is a load factor, sorry, alpha is a load factor, right? So load factor always will be added whenever you are maintaining a chaining process. কিভাবে আমরা একটু দেখি, দেখেন। So this is your array time and each T of I store a linked list. And এই লিস্টের মধ্যে তোমার থাকবে এতগুলো ভ্যালু যেগুলো আমরা এর আগে দেখেছি। All the values will be stored here. And if you want to search, then obviously separate chain ধরে ধরে তোমাকে সার্চ করতে হবে। So this is your index and h of k is your function that you want to search for. আমি সার্চ করতে যাচ্ছি কোন বাকেটে কোন এলিমেন্টটা আছে। So you have to search for the element first in the perfect index. Then they are saying for each element x, যেহেতু বাকেট, মনে রাখো যেহেতু বাকেট, each element of x in the list T of I, এই লিস্টের মধ্যে যতগুলো এলিমেন্ট আছে x, if this x is equal to k, যেটা তুমি সার্চ করতে চাচ্ছ, then return true. বুঝাতে পারছি? একটু দেখে নাও অ্যালগরিদমটা, সার্চিংটা। In a chain, in a chaining process, you have buckets. Only you have buckets. So each and every bucket has individual address, obviously. But this bucket has also an address. বুঝতে পারছো? Suppose this is a bucket I, okay? And এটাকে আমরা বলতেছি T of I. So here you have x. These are value x, x1, x2, x3. These all are x. They have individual address. So আমি একটা কিছু সার্চ করতে যাচ্ছি from my array list, যেটা হলো k এর মধ্যে আছে হলো 3 আরো আছে 2। সো আমি 3 কে স্টোর করে রাখছি এখানে। সো আমি সার্চ করে দেখবো যে এই 3 কে এটার সাথে ম্যাচ করে কি না। If it is match, if x is match with k, then I got the value, otherwise it's false. Am I clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then they have said an expected time is this. তুমি এটাকে সার্চ করতে চাইতেছো, একবারে তো পারতেছো না, because if you want to search it theta of 1, then you have to have without collision a fresh storage like this. Now you have collision, you may have collision, that's why you have to do the extra alpha job. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ওকে, আমি এটুকুই স্টপ করব। তোমাদেরকে আমি এখন কিছু ভ্যালু দিব, তুমি বের করে দেখাবা দ্যাট হাউ ইউ ক্যান স্টোর ইট। ইফ আই সে দ্যাট সাপোজ দ্য ভ্যালু ইজ, দেখুন লেখার ব্যবস্থা আছে কিনা, টেক্সট বক্স আছে। ওকে, দেয়ার ইজ আ টেক্সট বক্স। Suppose the value is 20, then let me just give you the actual shape. ওই যে লিখবো, দাঁড়াও। তোমরা কি পুরোপুরি দেখতে পাচ্ছ? $20, $35, $55, $21, $11, আচ্ছা 11টা একটু পরে দিই, $77, $11, $45, and then we have $22, then we have $39. You got the value?
ম্যাম
ডিসপ্লেতে দেখা যাচ্ছে না ম্যাম।
কি দেখা যাচ্ছে না? দাঁড়াও। Seriously? দেখা যাচ্ছে না?
নো ম্যাম।
ভিজিবল না টেক্সটটা। এবার দেখো তো টেক্সট বক্স দেখতে পারো কিনা?
নো ম্যাম।
আরে টেক্সট বক্স তো দেখা যায় না। টেক্সট বক্স ভিজিবল হচ্ছে না। আচ্ছা ভ্যালুগুলো লেখো তাহলে, আমি কমেন্টস লিখি।
ওকে ম্যাম।
দেখো কমেন্টসে হয়তো দেখতে পাবা কি কি যে ছিল, ভুলেও গেছি। 20, আচ্ছা আমি আবার দিচ্ছি, 55, 25, 11, 67, 37, 45, 21, 39, 10. I think you can see the comments box. দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
Yes, ma'am.
You just follow the chaining process. The first technique, okay? Second technique আমরা next দিন করব. First one is, first technique টা কি? বলো তো এখানে m কি হবে? m
Size of the table.
টোটাল সাইজ।
yes, total size. তাহলে আমি তোমাকে m বলে দিই। So this is your m. I think n you can get. N is 20, then 55, 25. These are n's. These are k, right? And m is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. এমনি সাইজটা বড় হয়ে গেছে। আচ্ছা লাস্টের 10টা একটু বড় মাপ দাও তো। প্রবলেম নাই, দেখো এখানে ওকে লাস্ট 29 and 10 need to be raised, okay? আর একটু শর্টকাট ইন্ডেক্সটা দেখতে পাবা। Okay, let me just erase this one, and now you can see more collision. This is your value. M will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. M will be 9, and h of k will be, I'm writing, you just follow the instruction. K mod 9. Okay, and these are your keys. Now find out the chaining table where how you can store one by one. Step 1, step 2. So how many steps will be there? Anyone can say how many steps you have to follow? After how many steps you can get the main index and the chain? 9 steps. 9 steps because you have m size is 9. So you have k elements 9. So 9 বার তোমাকে স্টেপ দিতে হবে। Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you just do this one. Let me just take your attendance meanwhile. You just do this as your homework, and then let me just see one of your work. M size will be 10. Sorry, M size will be 10. Give your attendance, everyone. Pratyasha,
Yes, ma'am.
Shagor,
Present, ma'am.
Istiak,
Present, ma'am.
Tuhin,
Present, ma'am.
Oishi,
Yes, ma'am.
Zayed,
Present, ma'am.
Niti,
Present, ma'am.
Badhon,
Present, ma'am.
Sumit,
Yes, ma'am.
Sadia,
Present, ma'am.
Yasim Sabir, Tasim Firdos,
Yes, ma'am.
Yasim Sabir present, Sabir Islam, Morning,
Present, ma'am.
Rafi, Pushpo,
Yes, ma'am.
and Shohanur Rahman,
Present, ma'am.
Noor,
Present, ma'am.
Abu Raihan,
Present, ma'am.
Rima,
Present, ma'am.
Moin Dawan, Aziz,
Yes, ma'am.
Tanjim,
Yes, ma'am.
Ridhi, Rithi, anyone left for the attendance? your chaining process will be look like this. Okay, ultimately after 9th step your value will be look like this. Suppose you have 50, 85 and all the values are in same mode, same index, so you have to store it like this. Okay everyone, the structure will be look like this.
ম্যাম 0 1 2 3 ম্যাম এটা কি সাইজ?
ইন্ডেক্স নাম্বার 6 পর্যন্ত হলো তোমার এম সাইজ, আমি এম সাইজ 10 দিয়ে রাখছি, তাহলে 0 থেকে 9 পর্যন্ত যাবে। এরপরে যতগুলো রিপিটেড ভ্যালু আসবে সেগুলো সব একটা একটা করে চেইন প্রসেসে জয়েন হবে। ফার্স্টে ধরো আমি কি দিয়েছিলাম 20 না, কলিশন কোনগুলোর হয়েছে সেটা দেখছি। ধরো 55 আগে এসেছে, তারপরে ওই নোডেই ওই ইন্ডেক্সেই জয়েন হবে 25, এরপরে জয়েন হবে 45, এভাবে যে আগে আসবে তারটা আগে হবে। ছবি তুলে তোমরা একটু দিয়ে তো ক্লাসরুমে দিও, আমি একটু এই ওপেন করে দিচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে? জাস্ট ছবিটা যার যার কাজের জাস্ট লাস্ট স্টেপের ছবিটা দিবা। আপলোড করে দিও, ঠিক আছে? আজকে ক্লাস শেষে আমি দিয়েছি in the classroom already, you can see.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow we have class or lab class?
Lab class, ma'am.
Lab class, ma'am.
Okay, so we will see on tomorrow. Thank you very much.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম ম্যাম।